Style here. It has been a long time. It's been at least 3 weeks since we've spoken to you. I have had a few issues uploading and exporting videos, and my husband and the cameraman JPT has a killer schedule. Not only does he work full-time at the hospital, he also is a professional painter, so he does painting on the side, and he's in grad school. So having my cameraman available is slim to none, and I think once we move over permanently, I think it feels like we already live here, but once we're here permanently at Alley House, I think I can just go around and do videos alone sometimes. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. We are so happy you're here. We are very thankful. In fact, today is my 1-year social media Instagram anniversary. It was a year ago today that I started my Instagram account, and one thing led to another, and here we are on YouTube. Can you even believe it? Anyway, this is Alley House. If you're not familiar with us, we are infoandersonalleystyle.com. This is Alley House, our 1875 4-square DIY budget fixer-upper. We left off with a million projects going on in the kitchen. I honestly thought we'd have everything wrapped up by now, but once you get into something, that leads to another project and yet another. We did tell you about the chiffon antiqued upper cabinets, and then if you'll remember right, we used the blue navy milk paint on the lowers. But I wasn't quite satisfied with the navy. My inspiration picture had more of a country blue going on, so we got the Benjamin Moore Lucerne color that Home Depot mixed up for us, and that little gal in the paint department, thank you. You are a gem. She helped me find my perfect color. So we did go with the Lucerne, and then I distressed and aged with the dark brown antiquing wax we had spoken of. Okay, we have so many things to cover. Also, you guys have been waiting to hear about, in our very first video, when we went to the basement, I was kind of just speaking off the cuff, but it's really what I thought was going on. I thought we had a little bootlegger action back in the day down there because there's a hidden door and a tunnel. It turns out I am pretty dead on. We're gonna do another video where we do a little tour of our block because there's a little speak-easy action that was going along here. So we will get to that video soon, and when it warms up, we'll go around and look at the houses and tell you the history of how it's all connected. But let's get back to the kitchen. So many things changed. You all, I changed my mind a million times. I couldn't completely get the vision. I knew what I was going for, but things just kept changing. You know how I said I was going to keep the brass knobs? I have a video in the queue that I'm trying to get to load that actually shows how I used the Rust-Oleum hammered copper, kind of copper. I think it was more of a bronze color. I can't quite recall. I do have most products that I've used, even down to my tea towel curtains, listed in my Amazon store. You can go to my website, infoandersonalleystyle.com, or my Instagram in the profile or Facebook, and find my Shop Alley House in my Amazon store, as seen in Alley House. I've tried to link as much as I could. Okay, so if I can have JPT get a little closer to these cabinets. Also, when we headed over to film, we are so much in winter right now. There's snow on the ground, but we had sunshine. It since went away, so we did set up our ring light to try to get us a little more light here, but bear with us on our lighting. When I edit, I'll try to lighten it up, but I think the cabinets turned out amazing. I have done some photos of them on Instagram, and someone even said how it looked like denim. I really think it does. And then my girlfriend, Dory, she is so creative, and she said not only do you have the denim, you have the leather cowboy boots, and it just kind of all ties in together. Isn't that funny how different people see things a different way? But I'm really pleased. Remember in a prior video when I talked about my Waylon Jennings green? This is my Waylon Jennings green, y'all. This is one of my favorite colors in the whole world, ever. So we did a lot of modifying. We took the bottom of the hutch and JPT put legs on it, and we're gonna use this as our island. And if he can swing around here, I can show you the front of this and how we're gonna utilize this for our dish towels and, you know, just little small kitchen things. So it does have drawers. Ta-da! I'm loving it. Oh, I forgot this top drawer has always stuck. I don't want to bang it too hard. I'll get that back in there, but I don't want to disturb any of this. Also, we thought it'd be pretty cute to put the little chairs at the end of the island. And we got the floors done, y'all. We did go with the early American stain, and then we put mega coats of the glossiest polyurethane we could find. This is one of my lights that I use for my filming and some of my Instagram. I will try to link that little ring light in my Amazon store as well, because they come in so handy. You can do it to a daytime, a cool, you can do it to a warm. So these lights are pretty handy. I'm sorry we're having to use everything we can come up with. He just hung this copper lamp for me today. I am loving it over the island. I am married to a handyman, and I am so appreciative. All right, a few other things. We don't even have the handles on our appliances because we haven't even been able to have the time to get over here to level this out. We have to work on that floor situation and get this right side raised up. But you all know the decisions I was trying to make on which appliances I was going to use. Pardon me. Downstairs, we went with Samsung from the Home Depot, one of my favorite stores in the world. If you have not been to Home Depot, you need to go. It's gonna rock your face off. You need to like chisel out a day to go in there because there is so much to look at and so many home things. Like, you're gonna love it. Anyway, we did go with the stainless steel. We haven't even taken the protective covers off. We will get there. We've done little foofies. Yes, am I ahead of myself? But I also need content. I'm a content creator and I'm on all the socials. So I have to have photos to post. The current home we're living in is in disarray. I mean, I have stuff piled everywhere. We're packing, we're going through things. So I've been trying to style this out so that I have content to share on my social media and also to show you the progress as it comes along. The birch countertops, I ended up distressing. We used the dark wax on them, and I'm gonna put some sort of a clear coat over those. We did struggle with finding a baseboard, but it ended up all working out. We're going to hurry here because we have the plumber coming because we have to get the hot water installed, so it's ready for when we move in. We went ahead and hung the hutch cabinet. I was gonna do, you know, like one of the rustic wood hood vent covers, but I am just loving this look, and we got the overmount microwave. That's never been my real favorite, but when I looked at my inspiration kitchen, I kind of liked the way it all spaced out, and I think I'm gonna be fine with the over the range microwave. Okay, oh, another thing. When I first started Instagram, I had a couple hashtags I created, and one was, how do your shutters grow? And this is for my girlfriend, Kathy. She loves shutters just as much as I do. I managed to add some shutters in the kitchen. I'm so excited about shutters again. I've never seen any that I do not love that I'm thinking about bringing that hashtag on Instagram back into play. So if you have shutters on your home or in your decor, or you're out junking and you see shutters, use the hashtag, how do your shutters grow, so that I can see your little treasures. But anyway, we're gonna flip slowly back here. We're new at this, so thank you for your grace. And we're trying to learn how to move slower so we don't make y'all sick, but I wanna show you my shutter action. We put the little shutters behind the lamps that we got at Hobby Lobby. These are a great price. If you can find them when they're having their sale, you can get these lamps for $20. I think they were $19.99. Also, in the bootlegger tunnel in the basement, we found this sink. Isn't it amazing? Obviously, we have to fit it in here, and we're thinking about having our 3 trash cans, you know, for our recycling and everything down here that just kind of slide out. We're gonna figure this out, but I am so excited to find this old junky sink. I know it's not everybody's dream, but this sink makes my heart sing because first of all, it was free. Score. Second of all, I think it's true to the home and true to the period. And thirdly, how can you not like something that's chippy, rusty, and white? Okay, we're gonna wrap this one up because the plumber will be here in just a minute. We have so many things ahead for you. We cannot wait for spring and gardening. We wanna infuse some vinegars. We wanna go over some recipes. We have gardening plans. We are so excited about Alley House. Thank you for your support, and we'll see you next time.